Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this pumpkin, Labubu. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a curve across near the top. Then from both ends, let's curve it down and bring it in. And close off the bottom with a curve across. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now top and side, and let's draw a V-shaped point near the top. And then let's bring it out on each side with a zigzag line. Now let's continue it by bringing it down on both sides. Now top inside this bottom section and let's draw the face. Let's start near the top and let's draw two curves out and up. Now underneath, let's draw a curve down and up for the shape of the eyes. And then inside each one, let's draw a large oval. And then let's add another oval inside at the top. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop in between and draw the nose. Let's start with a curve across in the center. And then two angles underneath meeting at a point. Next, we're going to hop out and draw the mouth underneath. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down, across, and back up on the right side. Now underneath, we're going to draw the teeth. In the center, let's start with two V-shaped points. And then let's work our way out on both sides. And lastly, on each cheek, let's draw three small dots. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start with two large curves up and back down. And then let's add another curve inside each one to add a border. Now in the center, let's draw two curves that meet at a point at the top and bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw a point down on each side. Then let's work our way across with a zigzag line. Now to continue the body, let's hop to the sides and let's draw two curves down. And then a small zigzag line down and out for the armholes. Now from each side, let's curve it down for the sides of the pumpkin. And then let's add the leg holes with another zigzag line, this time bringing it down and in. And then let's close off the pumpkin with a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the pumpkin, let's add the arms and legs. From the top armholes, let's draw 2 angles up and out. And then a small zigzag line across. Now for the hands, from the top, let's draw a point up and back down. And then 3 more points across and back in to close off each hand. And then inside, let's draw a curve. And that's it for the hands. Now let's hop down and draw the legs. From the bottom holes, let's draw 2 angles down and out. Then from the top line, let's step down and let's draw a curve up on each side. And then let's add 3 points across at the top for the toes. Now from the end, let's curve it back down. And angle it back up to close off each leg. And lastly, inside, let's draw a zigzag line across. And that's it for the arms and legs. Now let's hop back in and let's draw the face of the jack-o'-lantern. Let's start in the center and let's draw a triangle for the nose. Now for the eyes, let's hop up and let's draw 2 V-shaped points up and back down on each side. Now from the bottom, let's bring it in, leaving a gap in the middle. And then to finish off each eye, let's draw a point up and down in the center here. Lastly, for the face, we're going to hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across in the middle. And then let's bring it down, over, and up on each side for the teeth. And then let's curve it up next to each eye. Now let's hop down in the center and let's draw a line across and bring it down on each side. And then a curve down and in to close off each side of the mouth. And that's it for this pumpkin Labubu. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!